Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. In this video I am going to show you how to make a single designer silk thread bangle. Take a plastic bangle, apply glue on it, take a thread, red color thread I have taken, wrap it all over the bangle. I have taken 30 to 35 strands of thread here, wrap it tightly all over the bangle and cut it. Now apply glue at the end. Now again apply glue on the bangle and paste yellow color. Wrap it all over the bangle. Wrap it tightly at the end. Cut and apply glue and paste it. Again apply glue. Next again we are going to paste red color. Wrap it till we marked. Cut at the end. Apply glue and paste it. Next apply glue and paste golden color thread and wrap it till the end. I have wrapped. Cut at the end. Apply glue and paste it. Now I have taken drop shape stone red color. Apply glue at the center. Paste it. Again other side apply glue and paste red color drops stone. Now I have taken ball chain, gold color ball chain. Apply glue all over the stone and paste ball chain. Cut at the end. Paste. Again apply glue. Again apply glue all over the ball chain. Now paste pearl chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Adjust it. Similarly on the other side apply glue all over the stone. Paste ball chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Apply glue all over the ball chain and take white color pearl chain and paste all over the ball chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Now in the red color thread area apply glue at the center and paste gold color ball chain. Cut at the end. At the side apply glue. Paste white color pearl chain. After pasting, cut at the end. On the other side apply a glue. Paste white color pearl chain. Cut at the end. On the other red color apply a glue and paste ball chain. At the side paste white color pearl chain. Cut at the end. Similarly on the other side apply glue and paste white pearl chain. Cut at the end. The bangle is ready now. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.